Alright guys, we're doing an inspection today on a 2003 GMC Envoy. Customer's complaint is loose filling front end. So we're gonna get that inspected today. I'm gonna put you guys down. Hopefully you guys can see. Front end is not supposed to do that, guys. Let's get this off and see what we're dealing with. Ripping in tires. Alright. Let me show you guys what we're looking at here. So got your outer tie rod. I'm not sure if you guys can see that too well on camera. But you guys can definitely hear that. We got a lot of movement on that lower tie or outer tie rod. Inner tie rods don't seem like they're moving too bad. You guys can see that lower control arm is gone. You guys see all that movement? Brake pads aren't too terrible, guys. Rotors are not the best. They don't have the worst lip on them. But that thing upper ball joint, lower upper control arm is gone. Let's move to the other side. This side's not as bad. Okay guys, then let me show you what a bad side, but better than what the other side is supposed to look like. This side, this is your outer tie rod. You can move it, and that tie rod's not moving really much there, guys. That in there is not moving much at all. Up here, ball joint on the upper control arm is shot, and might be hard to see on camera, but there is some movement out of that upper control arm bolt there. So the bushings where the bolts go through are just shot on both sides. Bolts are sticking out. So someone's been in here before, as you guys can see that. That side's a little more set in. This side's either pushing out or someone didn't tighten that in all the way. Don't have any abnormal shaft play. So we're gonna recommend for this customer both upper control arms on the vehicle, both sides, both lower control arms. Recommend them to do inner and outer tie rods on both ends or both sides. And brakes are not terrible, as you guys can see that there. Brakes are not bad. So definitely don't see too many leaks on the shocks. They don't look the best, but the customer says that they're in a pinch for money, which is understandable. Times are tough. Freeze plugs are okay looking. Other than that, that's where we're at, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos. Nick's Mobile Mechanics.